Yeah. They ain't gonna like you. They ain't gonna like me. I been getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad. The same old nigga from the block. The same old nigga with the pot. The same old nigga from the trap. Everybody hated on him, then he bounced right back. I done spent a whole lot of time overseas. Doubling my money cause you know I want cheese. I been in my hometown playing with the keys when they fell off the boat. Yeah, I'm talking about release. I know it's a whole lot of niggas that was hating. I know it's a whole lot of bitches that was taken. So I shut the niggas up, bitches feeling us. Always knew that I was sick, so I had to stay patient. Taking over summer, nigga, tell me what's the bid. Heard you still cuffing, nigga, tell me what it is. You ain't paying no bills, buying no bags, buying no heels. Goddamn, let a bitch live. All I see is 20s, 50s, 100s. If it ain't quarter mil, fuck the whip. I don't want it, about to make these niggas sick to their stomach. I be getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad. The same old nigga from the block. The same old nigga with the pot. The same old nigga from the trap. Everybody hated on him, then he bounced right back. She was acting stingy, now she wanna give it up. Fast life OT, I'ma live it up. Now my ex-girl tryna make me jealous cause she got a new nigga. She don't know that I don't give a fuck. I got me a deal, but I'm still in the street. Heard a couple niggas talking like they got beat. They forgot sesame, teriyaki sauce with the rice on the side. Sweaty pussy nigga sweet. I got all this money on my motherfucking mind. Diamonds in my dial, I can't even see the time. All my niggas pull up, please don't let me bang the line. And they super extra when them niggas off the line. All I know is blood, Crips, power rules. I'm a west side nigga, don't get it fucked up. Niggas sick cause they thought I locked up. I been getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad. The same old nigga from the block. The same old nigga with the pot. The same old nigga from the trap. Everybody hated on him, then he bounced right back. I been getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad. The same old nigga from the block. The same old nigga with the pot. The same old nigga from the trap. Everybody hated on him, then he bounced right back.
Peace and blessings, everyone. How are you doing? This is an extension of Bite the Nickel Radio, The Frequency. Yes, I am your host, moderator, and DJ, or two, otherwise known as your Uncle Deuce. Today, as you can see, we're going to be talking about money, and we're going to be talking about crypto, okay? If you are an investor of any sort, whether you're in real estate, whether you're in crypto, whether you're in regular stocks, there's something going on in what we call the big leagues of banking that I think a lot of people are not paying attention to. They're really like ignoring it, you know, ignoring it as if America isn't going to fall. So, you know, let me put everybody in that pot. Everybody except the ones that are kind of like me, that are paying attention, that are actually, you know, keeping tabs on their money, keeping tabs on their stocks, keeping tabs on their 401k, keeping tabs on what they doing as far as their money. And just recently, we've had some ETFs drop for crypto. 11 ETFs, to be exact, yes. And this ETF deal, something's wrong with it. Okay. And I really want you to understand why there's something wrong with it. First and foremost, is the economy in a good shape? That's what they say. And when I say they, I'm talking about stock market analysts, people that own hedge funds, people that have been helping other people make gains in the market and helping other people gain more out of their investments. I don't know if you've heard of BlackRock, but BlackRock is one of them. Another one other major player is JP Morgan Chase. The owner of that banking system is Jamie Dimon. The owner of BlackRock would be Larry Fink. Okay. And for a very long time, right, they were against crypto for a very long time. And people had been listening to them for the longest. Okay. Now, back in July, Bitcoin was down to about 15,000 in July. It rose to 16,000 at the end of July. August, it got up to about, if I'm correct, 17,000. And then right at the cusp of September, it got to be close to 20,000. Okay. But back in July, BlackRock filed for to have a Bitcoin ETF. And a lot of people in the market that analyze crypto, analyze the markets, that have been investing for years, ever since crypto was born. A lot of these analysts have said that something ain't right. Why all of a sudden do we get an ETF or want an ETF out of these two major players that have been diabolically against crypto? Okay. I found it strange too. Excuse me. And so I started paying attention. Now, mind you, I've been investing off and on ever since the beginning of 2021. Okay. I should have been invested. to see the push-ups and the great falls and the great cut short of everything. You know what I'm saying? You know, the buyouts, you know, this, that, and the other. And even though I didn't, I started learning the charts. I started learning, you know, the difference. And thank God for what they call virtual money accounts, right? Where they, you know, they give you $1 million of fake money so that you can learn how to invest, so you can learn how to day trade, so you can learn how to, you know, make money in the market. As I speak right now, one of my paper accounts is up to $22,000. Okay. Now, had I had uh, kept investing in those stocks and stuff, I came out with a pretty penny. Yes, yes, yes. But now that I'm back in it, I'm at this moment back in to crypto because I really do see um, value after doing my studying, after doing my research. I really do see value in crypto. Whether or not it is backed up by the FDIC or not, which it ain't. It's, you know, majority of it's decentralized. Um, so I just recently started back, and you know, I've got a pretty chunk in there. Okay, but that's besides the point. Why is it that the main two chess players of banking are they're not just are, but they is and they are they have an ETF now for Bitcoin, right? And why would your enemy, I'm just saying, why would your enemy all of a sudden start saying something is good when predominantly you truly believe that it's not good? Well, you know, I had told my brother, it's like, bro, I don't trust the ETFs when it comes to Bitcoin. And he asked me why. And I said, why all of a sudden you want to now invest in crypto? Why all of a sudden you get an ETF and say it's a risk on and a risk off asset? Why? Why all of a sudden? You know, my biggest thing is if you're a bully for something, you need to stay that bully. Okay. I don't care if all of a sudden now you see the golden egg, you still need to stay that bully. You know what I'm saying? People will say, well, people have a change of heart. No, no. People don't have a change of heart without a scheme. Okay. Now, just recently, I found out that BlackRock, the owner of BlackRock, Larry Fink, is on the World Economic Forum. And the World Economic Forum is basically a group of people that want to control the whole world. Okay. Now, check this. You on the board of a group of people that don't have the world's best interest at heart. Absolutely, that is true. The only thing you have to do watching this is go do your research. You got to go do your research because you just holding on to my begging word. Go do your research. Okay. Now, what bothers me about this also is that we've been having failing banks after failing banks for the last 3 years. The last 3 years. And something just tells me that when the Federal Reserve, raises interest rates, it causes a bank to go down. Okay. Just recently, last year, 2023, we've had 3 major banks go down. Okay. Now, I also found out that a lot of these banks are government asset banks. They are controlled by the government. Not all banks are controlled by the government. I don't give a fuck how you feel about what I just said. Okay? There's 3 major banks, and I only know 2 of them that are government funded and government backed. That is Bank America. Oh, I know what the other one is. JP Morgan Chase. And guess what? Wells Fargo. Okay. Now, these other banks are subsidiary. I'm probably not pronouncing that word right. Subsidiary banks, meaning they're underneath these particular 3 banks. Okay. They're beneath. They service me, you know what I'm saying? And these underbanks have been falling. So I got a question to ask you. Do you really trust your bank? Look at my eyes. Do you trust your bank? Because ever since 2016, I've been telling you, get your motherfucking money out the motherfucking bank. And if you haven't been listening to my show since then, because I started in 2015, okay? I've been saying it that long. If you're a fan of Bite the Nickel Radio, the frequency, trust me when I say that, okay? Get your money out the bank. I've been saying it, okay? Get out the camera. Now, why all of a sudden these banks, these major banks, now want to fuck with crypto? And I'm gonna tell you what I believe. I believe that in order to control a certain people from going to an asset that they truly believe is a commodity, but really it's an asset, is an equity in a sense. It's an equity. You know what I'm saying? Why all of a sudden you don't want people to go directly to the asset, but you want people to join your ETF? Okay. After you've been the biggest bully about Bitcoin for the longest, okay? I truly believe that these ETFs from BlackRock and JP Morgan Chase is a Trojan horse step away from going to Bitcoin, the original asset. You know what I'm saying? The original store of value. I truly believe that. And I told my brother, I don't want that ETF. If anything, I'm gonna stay with my regular stocks, which would be the Magnificent Seven, Google, Facebook, Amazon, Nvidia, who else? I say Microsoft. I say Google, Facebook, Nvidia. It's one other one. I'm not, well, you know what I mean by the Magnificent Seven. Those stocks, the tech stocks, okay, which carry the other 400, no, SP 500. So we got to knock down 7. So that's what? The other 443 other stocks, okay? The Magnificent Seven hold the other 443 other stocks, okay? Just let you know, I didn't pass math, but I was pretty good at that one. Thank you very much, okay? And you can talk all your shit if you want to. But anyway, making this case of Bitcoin is now a risk-on asset. How come you didn't see that then? I mean, you could tell me, well, they probably didn't do their research and they probably, wasn't asking so many questions. No. Let me tell you something. These people of these banks, these people of the government know exactly what Bitcoin is. Okay? Don't let these people fucking fool you. Okay? You have to understand they speaking in words that 9 times out of 10 me and you don't understand until we do our research. Okay? And the biggest reason why most people don't even try to invest is because they don't understand the terminology and the words being said. That's because you don't want to know. Real talk. You don't want to fucking know. But for those that do invest, you want to know. Okay? You want to know. It's scary that a bully goes from being bullied to now wanting to be nice. I've heard a lot of people say Bitcoin wasn't shit. Even I was skeptical of Bitcoin. I wasn't being a bully about it, but I was being very skeptical about Bitcoin. Not no more. Not no more. You know why? I remember the last 2 times I invested in Bitcoin out of these last 3 years. The first time I had to learn. And each time I learned, I learned how fast Bitcoin actually could move. I remember the first time I had put in $50 and I watched it grow. I watched it double. Well, yeah, double to $50. I was like, oh, I made $100. Look at this. I made 50 and I put 50 in and made 50 back. That's what I'm talking about, player. And then I felt like I was getting ready to do something that I was very happy and getting ready to do. And then I had to take that money out. So I took that money out. Then my second time, I put $100 in. Same thing. I made a profit. I was like, and like a dummy, snatched it out because I needed it. I really needed it. This time, I'm all in. But I'm going to tell you something. These 11 ETFs are a Trojan horse. Now, I don't know if you ever watched Troy, okay? Troy was received a gift, okay? It was a wooden horse. And it was given as a gift. But ain't too many gifts got humans in it. Okay, I'm just saying. And so when the gift arrived and it was in the middle of the city, the little motherfucker soldiers came out the bottom of that motherfucking wooden horse and they terrorized the city. Okay, that's just the nutshell of a story. Go look it up or go watch the movie. Okay. So when I say these 11 ETFs, now, mind you, there's some good people that I really believe that have an ETF approved, but they good people. They don't have no, plans, on the side for anything to go wrong. And one of them is Kathy Woods of ARK Invest Innovations ETF. She's a very smart woman. And what I get out of her is if you invest in Bitcoin, you're doing the right thing. Okay. Pretty much everybody in a nutshell has said that if you invest in crypto, you're going to get the return that you're banking on. Like depending on how you dollar cost average into crypto. Same as you would dollar cost average in regular stocks. Okay. But she says, just like another guy on YouTube talks about crypto, his name is Michael Saylor. Go look him up. Bitcoin is actually a store of value. Okay. You ain't got to worry about the government fucking with your money. You ain't got to worry about a bank fucking with your money. And it's an asset, but the way I look at it, Bitcoin is generational wealth. Okay. Crypto is generational wealth. The system was created because of the 2007-2008 banking crisis. It was birthed right after the crisis. And, President Obama come and say today, yeah. Okay. The banks got bailed out. Go back to that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you some things here. Where should I go? Matter of fact, hold on. Let me set this right. Hold on. Share screen. Bam. And we gonna go. Where we gonna go? Where we gonna go? Window. Nope, we ain't gonna do that just yet. Hold on a second. maybe I could pull this up. I know. You ain't got to tell me. Sorry. I'm paying attention to everything else but what I'm thinking about. I'm trying to find a folder. No. Delete. Delete. Why did I do that? There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Documents. Just no pictures. Screenshots. There you go. Open that up. And just open up here. There you go. All right. Hold on a second. Let's share the screen. Select a tab. There you go. Thank you. I'm learning shit all day long. Look at that. All right. Share. Okay. Can I go back to what I was doing? As you see, it says why U.S. inflation can still move Bitcoin price. This is from the BitIn Crypto. Hold on a second. There we go. Okay. And this was shared a few days ago, right? Hold on a second. No, don't move it. I really need something here. Okay, let's do this. Back. There you go. All right. This is what I really want to share with you. Is this. No, motherfucker. All right. Remove. Sorry. I got to get to know how to do this shit correctly. No, I don't want to stop. Add. Is there a way to do this without fucking up? No, I don't want no full screen layout. Can we go to the next? Well, I guess that's not going to work. So let's stop. There you go. Let's try this again. Hey, there you go. Share. There you go. And like I showed you, it says people will. I can't even read that. Shit. All right. Let's do it like this then. It says why people will invest in Bitcoin. The approval of certain exchange traded funds, ETFs, that track the price of Bitcoin directly means that the asset has a chance to establish itself as a mature investment vehicle. An ETF allows an investor to get direct exposure to Bitcoin price changes without the need to buy Bitcoin directly. Okay. And what really gets me is you don't want people to go directly to Bitcoin. you want people to go to the ETF. And it says a co-founder of the first gold ETF, Hector McNeil, says Bitcoin ETF vehicle will increase adoption. Okay, I get that. I get that only for a little bit. Okay. And he says he likens it to the gold ETF, removed the hassle of digital asset management, but encourage more people to invest in the asset, which makes more sense. If you would just encourage people to go directly to the asset versus going to the ETF, the price would go up. But even with the price going up, you also have people selling off the asset, meaning they have made their profits. Boom, let's go. But listen to this. ETFs are at their most powerful when they give market access to difficult to trade asset classes. ETFs democratize ownership. Did you hear that word? Democratize. Democracy in America means some type of control. Democracy do not mean freedom. Okay? I want you to know that. Let's read this again. ETFs are at their most powerful when they give market access to difficult to trade asset classes. ETFs democratizes ownership. And let's read what the last part. Having asset managers like BlackRock, Invesco, and Fidelity, that's a massive stamp of approval. Let's reverse that. That's a massive stamp of wanting control of a system where you do not lose fucking money. Because that's all banks are. That's all they are. They are losing money. Let me say it even better. You got money in the bank, they are losing your fucking money. Okay? They are losing your money. Okay? They don't want you to move your money to Bitcoin and keep your money safe, all because they are losing money. Okay? Now I can stop sharing here. We can get out of this and this and this and go back to and that's my worry. That is my absolute worry, is that any of my friends, family, cohorts, associates, people I've known for years, if you are investing in any type of way, and mind you, this is not financial advice, because I don't have control over your money. Okay? So don't be like, well, Uncle Deuce told me, to invest my money in Bitcoin. I ain't said no such thing. Okay? You can come back to this video and be able to point that out, motherfucker. But anyway, it's the fact that if you're going to invest in any crypto, let me make this clear. Go straight to the asset versus going to the ETF. Why? Why is that important? Because I think there's going to be a major play later on this year. And it might not be this year exactly. It could be 2025. Where numerous banks are going to start shutting down. And these banks, a lot of these banks are the on and off ramp to a lot of exchanges. Okay. Like you gonna be, let's say you put $500 in the SP 500, right? Or you put $500 in Bitcoin. And I'm just giving an exaggerated number, okay? Because I think right now the SP 500 is at 48,000. Yeah, 48,000. Is it 48,000 or it's around that range? Let me say that. And Bitcoin at this moment is at 42,000. Okay. Now let's say you put $500 in SP, you put $500 in the Bitcoin. Okay. Let's say by July, you made a profit. You know, you let it sit in there and it gained value, boom, 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 and bam, you want to take it out. Now, what if? Understand me? What if? Okay, I'm putting some unction in this shit. What if your bank failed? How in the world are you going to get your money out? I want you to really think about that. I really do. I really want you to think about how you going to get your money out if the bank failed. Because you can't tell me ain't no bank failed. There has. Okay. And I just said last year, 3 failed. Okay. So with that being said, what would you do if you was an investor? What would you do if you were an investor in crypto, stocks? Because honestly, they just printing money right now out of thin fucking air. Okay. I really want you to think about that. I do. I'm not playing about that. And while you discussing all the gray hair that you see on my head, my face, I really want you to focus on what I'm saying. That's why I back up out of the camera. Goddamn it. You don't need to see all of that. But anyway, I really want you to take the time out to do your research. And I want you to look up these 2 people. And I also want you to take the time to go to the website, Exchange Rate Maritime Flow. As a matter of fact, we're going to share the screen for that one. Okay. We really are. Let's see. That's the login. Do I have that up? Nope. Yep. I do have it. Hold on a sec. I really would like you to go to this website. Now, if you're wondering who created the website, I did. Okay. Oh, there you go. All right. And okay, share screen. How do we flip, motherfucker? Let's wait till it load. Okay, I know that. Now, let's share the screen. Bam. Share. There you go. And as it loads, slow and slow. But when you come to this website, this is exchange rate, maritime flow. You see all your crypto and where it's at. Okay. And the first two videos you'll see is my boy Trap. I don't know him personally, but that's who I listen to. This is We Are Wall Street now. This is Wall Street Trapper. And we have what we call Bitcoin Digital Gold, a video that you should listen to, but I can't make you. You got the stock market, all the markets that are actually active right now. And right now, as we speak, Bitcoin is 43,000 at this moment. Ethereum Classic is 24. XRP, and trust me, you need some XRP. Market is up right now. So, hey, we all doing good. And you're going to come across this. Okay. This is where most of my blog posts come from. Okay. But what I really want to get you to take a stab at real money. And when we're going to do some updating pretty soon on the website, but we want people to be able to check it out first. Let's click that. Sorry for my internet being slow. I really do. But I really need to show you this so that you can take the time out to check it out for yourself. And if you just go ahead. There we go. And when you get here, I really want you to go to the history of money. The reason for you to go to the history of money, you will understand from the very beginning how people started investing, how the Federal Reserve was actually created, what it's for, why did Nixon take the gold standard off the dollar. You'll also understand the oil crisis, when gas was so high back in the early, was it 70s, late 70s, early 80s. We had a gas crisis. That's when they started learning how to price gouge on gas. Okay. And a lot of things changed. Okay. A lot of things changed. History of money, of the prosperity years from 1919 to 1930, as known as the Great Crash or the Wall Street Crash of 1929, was a significant event in the history of financial markets. During this period, the United States experienced a remarkable economic expansion fueled by factors such as technological advancements, increased industrial production, and a surge in consumer spending. However, beneath the surface of an apparent prosperity, there were underlying issues that would eventually lead to a devastating crash. One of the key factors contributing to the market crash was the speculative frenzy and excessive optimism that prevailed during the 1920s. The stock market became a symbol of wealth and a success, attracting a large number of investors, including inexperienced individuals and even those who borrowed money to invest. This speculative bubble inflated stock prices to unsustainable levels, creating an uh, environment ripe for a sudden collapse. As the 1920s progressed, warning signs of an impending crisis began to emerge. Overproduction in key industries such as agriculture and manufacturing led to a decline in prices and profits. And additionally, income inequity was on the rise, meaning it wasn't balanced out. Okay, it was uneven, with a significant portion of the population unable to afford the products they were producing. These imbalances in the economy created vulnerabilities that would eventually trigger the market crash. The market crash itself occurred on October 29, 1929, when the stock prices plummeted, wiping out billions of dollars in wealth. Panic selling ensued, ensued, leading to a cascading effect that quickly spread throughout the financial markets. The crash marked the beginning of the Great Depression, a severe worldwide economic downturn that lasted for years. It had far reaching consequences, including bank failures, unemployment, and a decline in global trade, which is going on apparently right now. I'm just adding. Okay. The market crash of the prosperity years of 1919 to 1930 serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of speculative accesses and the importance of maintaining a stable and balanced economy. Now, as I go down, this is the beginning here. All right. Gold in the US dollar. Okay. And monetary system, the end of the road, how money became worthless. Then you have dollar, the greatest pyramid scheme of America. And trust me, it is. Then I have two documentaries below them that talk about the energy crisis, which I'm talking about gas. Okay. That's a two-part series. It's the hidden cause of all recessions. This goes from 1634 to 1929, 2008, all the way to 2023. The Great Depression Explained. Another two-part series on Wall Street. Okay. Do I have any more? That's it. So, with that being said, I want you to go ahead and check out the website. Don't do it on your phone, do it on your desktop, and you'll be able to see it better. All right. And there you go. Back to me. Thank you. So, with that being said, I really want you to go check out the website. Remove. Bam. And I'm back. Okay. And stop. There we go. Now, I know all that has kind of like slowed down everything, but I really want you to check that out. Take the time out to do your research. And if you're going to invest in crypto, go straight to the asset, versus going to the ETF. At this moment, that's all I had to say. I'm very thankful that you took the time out to listen to me. When you get a chance, share this with a friend. And I want you to take your time investing. Make an exit plan. Things is getting ready to start looking ugly pretty soon. I'd rather you be ready. Who knows? We might have another. We might have another bank go down. We don't know. All right. With that being said, God bless you. Have a blessed day. Peace and blessings to all, and have a great evening. Much love. Much love. And I hope it was informational. I really do. Okay. So, hey. And anybody thinking I look like George Jefferson off the Jeffersons, forget you. I love you, though. You know what I'm saying? Until next time, peace and blessings.
Yeah. They ain't gonna like it. They ain't gonna like me. I've been getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad. Same old nigga from the block. Same old nigga with the pot. The same old nigga from the trap. Everybody hated on him, then he bounced right back. I just spent a whole lot of time overseas. Doubling my money cause you know I want cheese. I've been in my hometown playing with the keys when it fell off the boat. Yeah, I'm talking about Belize. I know it's a whole lot of niggas that was hating. I know it's a whole lot of bitches that was taken. So I shut the niggas up, bitches feeling us. I was due that I was sick, so I had to stay patient. Taking over summer, nigga, tell me what's the bid. Heard you still cuffing, nigga, tell me what it is. You ain't paying no bills, buying no bags, buying no heels. Goddamn, let a bitch live. All I see is 20s, 50s, 100s. If it ain't $250,000, fuck the whip. I don't want it, about to make these niggas sick to their stomach. I been getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad. Same old nigga from the block. Same old nigga with the pot. The same old nigga from the trap. Everybody hated on him, then he bounced right back. She was acting stingy, now she wanna give it up. Fast life OT, I'ma live it up. Now my ex-girl tryna make me jealous cause she got a new nigga. She don't know that I don't give a fuck. I got me a deal, but I'm still in the street. Heard a couple niggas talking like they got beat. They forgot sesame, teriyaki sauce with the rice on the side. Sweaty pussy nigga sweet. I got all this money on my motherfucking mind. Diamonds in my dial, I can't even see the time. All my niggas pull up, please don't let me bang the line. And they super extra when them niggas off the line. All I know is blood, Crips, power rules. I'm a west side nigga, don't get it fucked up. Niggas sick cause they thought I locked up. I been getting to the money. Everybody mad.